Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy evening all. My today's current affairs that we are taking April 1 to 10th April. So many students asked me, sir, please give current affairs for April month also. Even they requested from January 2020 onwards. Yes, definitely. So I will try to give those also very soon. So today we are going ahead with April 1st to April 10th current affairs. And only question and answers, MCQs are there. I don't want to read all these abbreviations in detail and all because we are covering anyway in daily current affairs. So we will start with the first one. Odisha Foundation Day is observed every year on which date, ma? April 1st. Princess Maria Theresa has become the first royal to pass away due to coronavirus. She belonged to which country? Spain. The finance ministers of which international grouping will hold out virtual talks on the coronavirus crisis to push ahead the economies? G20 nations. Now we have been discussing and even I told you the shortcut how to remember G20 countries also. So just go ahead with that one. What is the new interest rate on Public Provident Fund PPF schemes for April to June quarter? It is 7.1%. Tata Power joint venture has commenced commercial operations of 178 megawatts Shu KV hydropower project in which country? That is in Georgia. Which space agency has announced a new Sunrise mission to study giant solar particle storms? NASA. Which company has overtaken TCS to become the most valued domestic firm by market capitalization? Reliance Industries. Arjun Dev, who passed away recently, was a famous historian. The government has extended the foreign trade policy for 1 year till March 2021. The exports during April to February fiscal has dipped by how much percent, ma? 1.5% to 292.91 billion. Andrew Jack, who passed away at the age of 76, played the role of a major in which of the iconic films? It is in Star Wars. The Tourism Ministry has launched which scheme to help foreign tourists stuck in various parts of the country and disseminate information regarding services which can be availed by them. So stranded in India. The Secretary General of which international grouping has appointed a group of experts to strengthen the political dimension of the group. That is NATO. RBI has raised the ways and means advances WMA limit for the first half of the financial year 2021 to how much, ma? 1.2 lakh crores from 75,000 crores in the year ago period. Which bank has launched banking facilities on WhatsApp to help customers undertake banking facilities from their home? None other than ICICI Bank. IBA has instructed banks to deposit how much amount in PMJDY accounts of women for 3 months as recently announced by the finance minister. It is 500, ma. Which firm has recently signed an agreement with the ADB to lend up to $60 million to improve access to housing finance? It is Aavas. Which company has acquired weather app Dark Sky and will shut down its Android version in June 2020? None other than Apple. Which institution has developed robots to deliver food and medicines to COVID-19 patients? It is IIT Guwahati. The World Athletics Championships will be shifted from 2021 to 2022 to accommodate the rearranged Tokyo Olympics. Where will be the event to be held? Oregon. The government has extended the crop loan interest benefits till which date to repay loan without losing the benefit of interest subvention? So it is till May 31st. That is also been extended, right? World Autism Awareness Day is observed annually on which date? April 2nd. Vincent Marzello, who passed away recently, was a famous actor. 25 lakh poor will get a house sites in Andhra Pradesh under the Navaratnalu Pedalandariki Illu, houses for all the poor program. Which company has completed the merger of GlaxoSmithKline after receiving regulatory approval with the NCLT? So it is none other than Hindustan Unilever. Who has taken over the managing director of Sundaram Home Finance? It is D. Lakshmi Narayanan. The United Nations COP26 Climate Change Summit has been postponed till 2021. It was scheduled to be held in which city, ma? Glasgow. Which company has overtaken TCS to become the most valued domestic firm by market capitalization? It is PhonePe. Philip Anderson, who passed away recently, received a Nobel Award in which of the following field? Physics. Which department has constituted a national monitoring dashboard launched for COVID-19 grievances? It is Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances. Name the prominent Indian origin virologist who has died from coronavirus in South Africa. Geeta Ramji. Wimbledon tennis tournament has been cancelled for the first time since World War II. In between which months was the tournament scheduled to be played? So June to July. As per Fitch Solutions, India's fiscal deficit may shoot up to -% of GDP in financial year 21. It will be 6.2. According to the RBI announced the latest measures to deal with the economic fallout of COVID-19, the ways and means advances have been increased by 30% from the existing limit for all the states and UTs. Which bank has offered the EMI deferment on loans for 3 months in wake of COVID-19? Axis Bank. Who has been appointed by Nissan as the new chairman for Africa, Middle East and India? Guillaume Cartier. According to the UN, the global economy could shrink by how much percent in 2020? 1%. Which bank has decided to offer $1 billion for the proposed India COVID-19 emergency and health systems project? World Bank. Name India's first safety app which aims to help users record their social distancing score. DROR. International Children's Book Day is observed annually on which date? April 2nd. Boy Nirmal Singh, who passed away recently after testing positive for coronavirus, was the recipient of which famous award? Padma Shri. The government of which state has decided to buy multi-feed oxygen manifold (MOM) contraption developed by the Navy for COVID-19 patients? This is none other than AP Andhra Pradesh. Name the government app launched to track the coronavirus accurately and access the risk of catching infection. Arogya Setu. Who among the following has recently resigned from the post of MD and CEO of Paytm Money? Praveen Jadhav. Tony Lewis, who passed away at the age of 78, is credited to have provided which of the famous methods in cricket? DLS method, Duckworth and Lewis method. Which of the following railway factory has set a world record by producing 431 locomotives in financial year 1920? Chittaranjan Locomotive Works. Who has been recognized by Guinness World Records as the world's oldest man? Bob Wheaton. Adam Schlesinger, who passed away due to COVID-19, was a famous singer. Which organization has developed a biosuit to keep personnel engaged in combating COVID-19 safe from virus? DRDO. SBI Cards is offering a moratorium of how many months? 3 months on credit card dues as per the decision of RBI in view of the hardships faced by customers due to the 21-day lockdown. Which company, in coordination with the Department of Telecom and telecom service providers, has developed a COVID quarantine alert system? CDOT. The government of which state union territory has decided to provide financial assistance worth of 5,000 rupees each to all auto rickshaw taxi drivers amid lockdown situations? It is none other than Delhi. The government of Maharashtra has launched an online self-assessment tool to better identity and assist COVID-19 patients. Which company has joined hands with ITC Foods to make a home delivery of essential items in view of the current lockdown? Domino's. The Gujarat government has announced a financial assistance of how much rupees per day? 25 rupees per day for each animal for the month of April for all registered Goshalas. For all registered Goshalas, how much? 25 rupees per day for each animal for the month of April. According to which organization? India's economic growth is expected to slow down to 4% in financial year 21. ADB, Asian Development Bank. Which bank has launched 3 new products to support farmers, poultry players in the informal sector during the current COVID-19 pandemic? That is Indian Bank. Google has donated how much amount to fact checkers and non-profit organizations to help fight coronavirus misinformation? 6.5 million. Who has been sworn in as permanent judge of the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh? Justice Rajneesh Oswal. According to the Asian Development Bank, what could be the cost to the global economy due to the coronavirus pandemic? $4.1 trillion. What is the theme of the International Day of Mine Awareness celebrated every year on April 4th? Together for Mine Action. Pasang Wangchuk Sona, who passed away recently, was a former minister from which state? Arunachal Pradesh. The government has started using geofencing technology in mobile applications in a bid to locate quarantine violators as well as send the information by email or SMS. Geofencing. IBM has offered a Watson Assistant for citizens to quickly address COVID-19 related queries. Watson Assistant for citizens is available in a total of how many languages? 13 languages. Which organization has come out with a unique helpline portal to help support students during a lockdown? AICTE. The government of which state has partnered with UNICEF to launch Mo Prativa to engage children during lockdown amidst COVID-19? Odisha. Name the acting president of the NCLT whose tenure has been extended by the government for 3 months. BSV Prakash Kumar. Which institution has developed low-cost face shields for protection of first-line healthcare professionals fighting COVID-19? IIT Roorkee. China will launch the first of its 2 communication satellites for its space-based Internet of Things project, with one of them being named after which city? Wuhan city. The Department of Science and Technology, DST, has set up a rapid response center at which institution to scout and evaluate startups that address COVID-19 challenges? That is IIT Bombay. The World Bank has decided to roll out how much amount in emergency aid to help nations deal with COVID-19? $160 billion. UNGA has adopted a resolution calling for global solidarity in the fight against COVID-19. How many members co-sponsored the resolution titled Global Solidarity to Fight the Coronavirus Disease 2019? 188 countries. The FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup has been postponed due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Event was scheduled to be held in which country? India. Which of the following is among the 3 official mascots of the 19th Asian Games unveiled in Hangzhou, China? Hangzhou, China. Hong Kong. India has seeked how many billion dollars? $6 billion in loans from multilateral institutions including ADB, AIB to combat COVID-19. How much amount has the Finance Ministry released on account of the State Disaster Response Mitigation Fund to fight the outbreak of COVID-19? 17,287 crores. Who has launched the Hack the Crisis India hackathon to find working solutions to overcome COVID-19 pandemic? Sanjay Dhatre. Sanjay Dhatre. RBI has reduced the trading timings of currency and debt markets functioning due to the shortage of staff and restriction on movements. The new timings will begin from which date? That is April 7th. Fitch Ratings have slashed India's growth forecast from 5.1 to a 30-year low of what percent? 2% for financial year 21. National Maritime Day is observed annually on which date? April 5th. Rafael Kalejas, who passed away recently and was involved in the FIFA Gate football corruption scandal, belonged to which country? Honduras. Who has developed a prototype of a low-cost ventilator and is ready for mass production after its get clearance from the ICMR, Indian Railways. SEBI has extended the term of a whole-time member Madhabi Puri Buch. She has been given an extension for how many months? 6 months. Who among the following has won the PETA award for allocating funds to feed community animals during the lockdown period amidst the COVID-19 pandemic? Naveen Patnaik. International Day of Sport for Development and Peace is the annual celebration of the power of sport to drive social change. It is celebrated on which date? April 6th. Name the player who has recently been inducted into the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame. That is Kobe Bryant. Which Indian NGO has won the prestigious 1.5 million US dollars Skoll Award for social entrepreneurship for its work in the maternal and child health space? Arman. Name the operation conducted by the Indian Air Force to airlift medical and hospital consumables for the Maldives as an assistance in fighting against COVID-19. Operation Sanjeevani. Operation Sanjeevani. The Army Medical Corps has celebrated its 256th Raising Day. On which date? It is on April 3rd. Bill Withers, who passed away recently, won which of the following awards as a famous writer and singer? Grammy. Who is the head of the empowered group constituted by the government for coordinating COVID-19 related response activities? It is Amitabh Kant. The World Games have been postponed until 2022. They were scheduled to be held in which state of the US? Alabama. Name the association formed by IAS and IPS officers to fight the coronavirus pandemic. That is Karuna. India has recently sent a 6.7 ton of medical assistance under Operation Sanjeevani to which country? Maldives. Who has been recently named as the Shadow Foreign Secretary of the United Kingdom? Lisa Nandy. Which company has launched India's first COVID-19 home screening test kit to display results within minutes? Bion. MK Arjunan Master, who passed away recently, was a famous music director. The IMF has opened a how many $trillion? It's $1 trillion war chest to help countries amidst the coronavirus pandemic. Which company has partnered with the National Health Authority to provide a dedicated transport service to COVID-19 healthcare workers? It is Uber. UAE has requested to postpone the Dubai Expo 2022. Which month? October month, year 2021. Which institution has partnered with the government to display public food and night shelters across 31 Indian cities? Google Maps. The All India Football Federation has submitted India's bid to host the AFC Asian Cup in the year 2027. What is the theme of the International Day of Conscience for the year 2020? It is Change the World with Conscience. Peter Walker, who passed away at the age of 84, was a famous cricketer. World Health Day is celebrated every year on which date? April 7th. Who has been appointed as the NASCOM chairman for 2021, succeeding Keshav Murgesh? UB Praveen Rao. Mohammad Jibril, who passed away after being hospitalized for coronavirus, was the former interim prime minister of which country? Libya. Which of the following book will be released in the month of May, which talks about corona and makes an attempt to explore the resources to keep people safe from the disease? How contagion works. How contagion works. Name the institution that has incubated a startup to develop a low-cost and portable ventilators called Jeevan Light. Which institution? IIT Hyderabad. Bobby Mitchell, who passed away at the age of 84, was related with which field? Football. A safe disinfectant tunnel has been installed at the DGP's office in the state of which state? Telangana. By S3V Vascular Technologies Private Limited. Joe Edwards, who passed away recently, was a former wicketkeeper playing for which country? New Zealand. Which state has ranked on top at the all India level for micro irrigation coverage in the financial year 2019-2020. Tamil Nadu, none other than Tamil Nadu. NHAI has achieved the highest ever construction of national highways in financial year 2019 and 2020. It has accomplished the construction of how many kilometers, ma'am? 3,979 kilometers of national highways. Who has taken charge as the spokesman of the Ministry of External Affairs, succeeding Ravish Kumar? Anurag Srivastava. NASA has unveiled a plan for Artemis base camp to land humans on the moon beyond which year? 2024. Which state has installed walk-in sample kiosks for COVID-19 testing based on the South Korean model? That is Kerala. The UN Security Council will hold a closed session to discuss the COVID-19 pandemic. Which country has assumed the presidency of the council? Dominican Republic. The Union Cabinet has approved an ordinance to reduce the salaries of PM, ministers, MPs by how much percent, ma? 30% for a year. Which company has launched India's first drive-through coronavirus test center in the Punjabi Bagh area of the national capital? Dr. Dang Labs. Dr. Dang Labs. Tata Power Solar has bagged a NTPC contract for how many crores for the grid connected solar photovoltaic project? It is 1730 crore rupees. Which company has bagged a large order from the Indian Army to establish Unified Network Management System? That is L&T. Which company has launched a dedicated COVID-19 dashboard with WHO sourced data and the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare? LICCI. The Independent Member Federation Sanctions Panel IMFSP of the International Weightlifting Federation was imposed a ban on which country from participating in weightlifting events at the Tokyo Olympics? That is Malaysia. The Ministry of Human Resource Development was launched a mega challenge named Samadhan to fight against COVID-19 and future challenges. The Supreme Court has extended the tenure of the Telecom Tribunal chairman by 3 months. Who is the current chairman of Telecom Tribunal? Shivakirti Singh. Kalinga Sasi, who passed away recently, was a famous Malayali actor. Arvind Kejriwal has announced a 5T plan to combat coronavirus spread in Delhi. Which of the following is not included in the 5T plan? Tactful. So all others are there. Testing, treatment, teamwork, tracking. Which government has become the first one to deploy India's first automated COVID-19 live monitoring app? It is none other than Telangana. The police in which state has developed the app Raksha Sarv? Keep an eye on home quarantined people. Chhattisgarh. Bullet Prakash, who passed away recently, was a famous actor. Stephen O'Keefe, who recently retired from first class cricket, played for which country? Australia. L&T has won a large contract from which petroleum company for the capacity expansion at Barauni Refinery? IOCL. Airtel Payment Bank has partnered with which company to offer a simple and health focused healthcare insurance plans to protect against COVID-19? Bharti AXA. SBI has slashed the marginal cost of funds based lending rate, that is MCLR, by how many base points, ma'am? 35 base points across all tenors. Which of the bank has launched 4 schemes for the agriculture sector offering additional loans of up to 1 lakh to self-help groups? Bank of Baroda. RBI has given states a longer overdraft periods with immediate effect to tide over cash flow mismatches. It will be available till which month? September. Name the Singapore-based Indian origin man who has been appointed as the judge of the High Court. Dedar Singh Gill. The Indian economy is pegged to grow at what percent, ma? 2% in financial year 21 as per ICRA ratings. Which bank has agreed to provide an emergency working capital of up to 1 crore to MSMEs to facilitate response against coronavirus pandemic? SIDBI. SARC Development Fund has allocated how much amount to deal with the COVID-19 pandemic? 5 million US dollars. The Competition Commission of India has approved the acquisition of GMR Kamalanga Energy Limited by which company? JSW Energy Limited. Roger Chapath, who passed away due to complications of COVID-19, played ice hockey for which country? Switzerland. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Bharati AXA Life Insurance? Parag Raja. Braham Kanchibotla, who passed away at the age of 65, was a famous journalist. DRDO has collaborated with which company to develop a full face shield for healthcare personnel and doctors treating COVID-19 patients? Wipro 3D. Former Atletico Madrid and Barcelona coach Radomir Antic, who passed away at the age of 71, belonged to which country? Serbia. The CCI has approved acquisition of 80.1% stake in ABB by Hitachi Limited. Honor Blackman, who passed away recently, was a famous actor and is known for her role in the James Bond film Goldfinger. Name the learning platform launched by the central government to provide frontline workers with the training and help them to cope with the pandemic. I got. Name the city which has been voted as the best city to work for IT professionals in terms of career growth and high living standards. It's Bangalore. The central government has approved a COVID-19 emergency package for states and union territories. It will be implemented in a phased manner from January 2022. Which year, ma? It's 2024. Who has been named as the leading cricketer in the world in the 2020 edition of the Wisden Cricketers Almanac? It is none other than Ben Stokes. Which country has become the world's top patent filer after surpassing the US for first time in 4 decades? It's China. Which bank has launched various schemes for the corporate, retail and agriculture sector to ensure financial assistance against the backdrop of COVID-19? It is a Bank of Maharashtra. IDBI Bank's board of directors have set a bond borrowing limit of how many crores? 7,500 crores for the year 2021 that would be borrowed in way of tranches. The government of which state has set up 12 COVID-19 containment clusters with the aim to contain the spread of the pandemic? That is Telangana. Which of the following institutions has developed the app Go Corona Go? It is IISc. According to the United Nations, India's projected GDP for financial year 21 projected stands at 4.8% due to the effects of the coronavirus pandemic. The government of which state has launched the COVID Care app to fight COVID-19? It's Arunachal Pradesh. The World Homeopathy Day is observed annually on which date, ma'am? It's on April 10th. Hajarilal Raghuvamshi, who passed away at the age of 93, belonged to which political party? Congress. The Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has launched the revised version of which app with the aim to handle queries specific to COVID-19? Swachhata MOHUA. That is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Who among the following has written an unauthorized biography of Melania Trump titled The Art of Her Deal? Art of Her Deal. Mary Jordan. Indian Railways coach rehabilitation workshop has developed a mobile doctor booth named Charak for a zero contact checkup facility to ensure safety of medical professionals and doctors. TRIFED has launched a digital campaign in collaboration with which institution for self-help groups to ensure that tribal gatherers carry on their work safety? It is UNICEF. According to the recently released Forbes Billionaires List 2020, Jeff Bezos has retained the top spot with a net worth of $113 billion. Who has been appointed as the Managing Director and CEO of IFCO, Tokyo General Insurance? Anamika Rai Rastrawar. The central government has sanctioned how much amount for the COVID-19 emergency response and a health system preparedness package for the states? It's 15,000 crores. The Asian Development Bank has assured a sum of $2.2 billion in support package to India. The government of which state union territory has launched Operation Shield in a bid to identify COVID-19 hotspots in Delhi. The Singapore-based DBS banking group has revised India's GDP estimate to how much percent? 1.5% for financial year 21. A 24/7 health channel dedicated to COVID-19 has been introduced in which of the following states or union territories to provide information covering preventive measures against COVID-19. 24/7 Andaman and Nicobar. Which railway station has become the first one to install a walk-through mass sanitizing tunnel to ensure safety of staff and passengers in view of COVID-19? In Ahmedabad. Which UT has launched an IT-based application to combat and contain the spread of COVID-19? Ladakh. Which of the following bank has unveiled a $10 billion response facility to curb COVID-19 and assist regional member countries in fighting the disease? African Development Bank. Name the newly launched app to help monitor senior citizens and identify early detection of the COVID-19 disease. Safe Seniors. Which bank has rolled out a digital banking platform to help customers open a savings and fixed deposit account instantly? That is Jana Small Finance Bank. That's end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We'll meet tomorrow.